Hi guys, welcome back to Lily Fuzzy Dogs. And right now I'm in my room and it's pretty windy in Nevada right now. So look at how windy it is. See? Here's my little Kita. Actually my sister's a Kita. Oh. There's Otis. Why are you crying? Yeah, it's pretty windy right now. Even blowed up my old food station where I play with. Look at them, they want to escape. They're cold. Guys, you can just go inside. Why? Look how cute. Say hi, Otis. Oh, he's so cute. He's like staring at the camera. Say hi to the camera. Say hi, Otis. Oh my goodness, he's trying to bite it. He's trying to bite the camera. Don't bite the camera, Otis. We're just recording. Otis like, get that camera. I'm not just for YouTube, okay? My dogs are. Oh, they're fighting. Yeah. Oh. See the mark that is drill. Look at that. They're playing with the toy. Oh, how cute. They're like 4 years old. The black ones. Something dog and something puppy. But they're still playing with the toy. Oh, look at it. They're playing with the toy. Just like the brothers do. They're so cute. Can you hear the windy? Look at the trees. Oh yeah, if you see the fence there, because we don't like when Otis poops are all around here, so my dad put a fence there where you don't smell poop. All the way over there. All the way in the back over there we have a little place there. Oh, you can see his little butt. Look, cute it is. Oh, so cute. I just can't do it right because wait, I'm gonna call Otis right now. Whoa, 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 whoa.